Man, do a donut around me, just be for the automatics. Do it for the vlog. Whip that hoe. What'd you do?
The new one's 780.
It's like 300 bucks for Mishimoto one. You ain't dripping nothing but the water you drove through, bro. I think you're good. They talk shit about DEs, but well, you got an HR. Never mind. Let's go drifting. My man out here with an automatic all-wheel drive Infinity. I don't think anybody has excuses anymore. Oh, here. Was that fun?
Fuck yeah, I wish I was fucking there.
It's alright, man.
Still fucking slide.
Good shit. How was that tire? I had fun.
There she went.
Just remember, kids, when you don't have a lot of money, drive them bitches until they fucking explode. Appreciate you guys watching this vlog that I'm gonna make out of all this. Shout out to Dylan for helping me film and for whipping that goddamn automatic G till that bitch broke. All right, till next time.